Bro, the most important thing about the Trinity site. All these porta potties. What do you think about the walk?
I mean, we've done like 150 feet.
I don't know how I'm gonna survive on this walk. We've been at it for 3 days. I mean, 2 feet. Hey, what is this?
The Trinitard.
And then I'm gonna head back home. That ABS dough. Also, kind of fuck this baseball field. Just kinda. They suck a little bit. Just a little bit. Get that good soapy water. Me too. Oh, this is gonna suck. Here we go. He was in an MC. He's too cool to talk to me, brother. They're like, oh! Oh! The whole video that I filmed was like, hey. Hey! I don't know how to manage my time or my money. She was like, not impressed that I was even here. She's like, this guy. If you don't pay your bills, you don't get the skills. Hey! Hey! Yes, I took the highway. Because I did it my way. Did the pizza time thing. It's pizza time.
Pizza time.
I'm gonna be on YouTube. Can I show you later? We're gonna wash the bike.
Because it is dirty, huh, Minos? Get that good soapy water.
No, my foot is broken.
Oh, your foot's broken? How did your foot break? Ow!
The motorcycle hit you?
Yeah.
Or the motorcycle hit me?
Is it because the motorcycle likes you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. My motorcycle doesn't like me?
No.
Does that mean I have to give you the motorcycle?
Yeah.
Or do I have to give it to Daddy?
Together.
Your mom will let your dad have a motorcycle? Yeah. I doubt that.
I said Dad couldn't have a motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
She died it?
No one died.
Where's Mama?
She's at your house.
No, Mama's right there. Surprise!
Surprise.
Ow!
What happened?
Your motorcycle headed me. I forgot your motorcycle.
We'll call it a State of the Union. I just gotta get me some gas. Or like that, I need a dick.
You gonna take that dick?
In high school, we'd be like, I gots to know. Anytime somebody had like, they'd be like, hey, did you see that? And we'd be like, what? And they're like, nothing. And we'd be like, I gots to know. Oh, goddamn. Gosh dang ambulance. I'm working on a video about I haven't been working on creating stuff much. The tech run or tech on or game on. Flash on type of thing. I don't remember. I got me one of them dead cats. Yeah. Kind of want to take a selfie. Not a selfie, but like a bike picture, you know? Just be like, in front of a school, bro. This is me in front of a f***ing school. But it's lame, so we're not gonna do that. Called Stupid Saturdays.
It's Stupid Saturday, like what? Hey, it's Stupid Saturday.
It's like, Greg and it's Stupid Saturday.
What?
It's Greg and it's
Too high for this.
You're best. Losers are always whining about their best. Winners go home and the prom queen.
Your best. Losers always whine about their best. Winners go home and the prom queen.
Sean Connery. Losers go home. Winners the prom queen. You wanna know how I got these scars? My friend Greg, pictured here. I'm recording you.
Cool.
You gonna hop on back?
No.
Oh.
I'm high right now and I feel good. I feel anything in my knee or enjoyed
You don't feel?
taking advantage of this walk.
Yeah?
On that one.
Do that dance that Daddy did.
Pretty sure it wasn't that, but okay.
Peace. Know how to do it.
You know how to do peace now?
Peace.
What else do you know how to do? High five. Bloody noses aren't fun. 2018. RIP. Harley, bro. Brum, brum. Just kidding. Bloody noses aren't fun. 2018. RIP. I had a professor in college. He was like,
you know, you should get a motorcycle. You're a poor college student. Gas is expensive. It's just you. You should really think about how far you can go on a motorcycle. How much easier it'll be driving from work, at the restaurant, to here at school, back to home. And since it's just you, life will be a lot easier as well. And you should really think about it, son. I'm telling you, it'll open new doors for you. You'll be happier. And so I was like,
no! Motorcycles are dangerous! So I got a Jeep.
Congratulations!
And because it's Albuquerque, my Jeep was stolen.
That's so very, very sad.
Hi, dude. Thank you. Since I'm a nerd. Yeah. Oh, what's up, brother? He's all punk. Dude, it's the wind. She's like the wind.
I hate this song!
Son, you're gonna have to exit the vehicle.
Somebody vomited graham crackers all over the place. I don't even remember what I was talking about. The bike is mine. I am the bike. And we go on the road instead of a hike. Hey! Old people, man. They can trust me when it comes to, like, not driving like a maniac. But little do they know, I drive like a maniac. Just kidding, they watch the videos, so now they know how I drive, kind of. Oh shit, it's the cops! Woo, 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 woo! Talking about the 5 reasons why I f***ing love the iron, brother. Why I love it, brother. Hey, what's up, bro? Hey! Number 1! Number 1! Hey, what's up, guy? Nice vat. But, oh shit, it's the cops. Woo, 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 woo!
Oh no, it's the cops!
Number 5! Locking the face shield. Watch this. Watch me, guys. I'm not even going full steam. Wow, 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 wow! I'm feeling going down! Dude, I love your bike. And they're like, thanks, I know. I'll probably ride this thing until I can't ride no more. And by then I better be f***ing dead, brother. This is a bike that I can pass down for generations and generations. And they better not f***ing change anything or I swear to God I'll come back and haunt them. Breathing's like my second favorite pastime. Don't die on me. Say you need to drop the tranny on your car, or your truck, or your SUV. Down at Bob's Used Cars Auto Sales. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. We got Bigfoot, and we got tacos and burritos, and we're gonna be selling every car on the lot. Come down to Bob's Used Car Sales, yeah! I'm like choking and dying today. Touching their car, or motorcycle, or truck down at Cobb, used cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Hey people, what's going on? They were all dinos, bro. I'm a firm believer, babe, that people should be able to work, maybe not work on, people should be able to maintain their own vehicles. Doesn't necessarily mean that you will, you know, rebuild an engine from the ground up, but you do basic maintenance. You know, like you change fluids, you know how to change oil, you know how to replace a tire, like little things. To more advanced things, like if your starter dies, you can replace your starter. Serpentine belt. Jeez, you know, I never thought I'd say it, but I can't wait to get out of this helmet, because I'm fucking dying, dude. But you know, little things like that I think people should be able to do on their own. So you don't gain any experience if you take it to somebody else. They do all the work for you, so you don't know how to do anything. So that's a big thing. If you don't know how to do any of the work, what's the point? If you have no experience, and no experience is gained. I gotta drink like a fucking cup of water. Like just a whole goddamn glass. So yeah, and I can't talk. My second car, the Jeep that was stolen.
That's so very, very sad.
You're right there, so you're just like, quick, quick. Camera froze again. Oh, dropping my deposit. Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory. So hopefully we don't fucking die. Wheel of money.
Well, that show was fucking metal. Let's pick them up for the fall season. Everybody involved in the production is dead. Then let's go to lunch.
Same with Greg from Stupid Saturday.
It's Stupid Saturday, like what?
Yeah, just get it real nice and tidy. We gonna do this the freaking Fury Rider way. But at other times I'm like, what are you fucking stupid? It's getting dark on me. It's getting real dark on me.
If you like the video and you wanna see more like it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, leave the comment down below. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Later.